hay. Okay, now that I'm back, we're going to be making lemon poppy seed bunny cake.
Wow. Proper pronunciation is bunt.
So yeah, that's what we're making. First step is to preheat the oven.
Oh yeah.
Mom, preheat the oven. The first step is in a smaller-ish bowl. We're going to mix the cake mix. See how she pours in the bowl and not like somewhere out of the bowl?
Yeah.
I have like 3 sisters.
That's privacy info. You can't share that online. Red alert, red alert, red alert.
We're now going to go to the second step. Hang on. The second step is add the water. So, how much water do we need? 1 cup and 1 quart. We are going to add the oil. Oh yeah, and don't ever pour over the bowl. Pour over your mouth. Now, as Lily said before, we're going to do what, Lily?
Eggs.
Eggs.
Dessert is coming, it's just not ready yet.
Okay. They look the same.
Look at me at 4. I use 4 or I use 4.
Should shake your front pages. Hey girls here. Okay, I'll say it. We have a $10 Cold Stone one. Girls, hang on just a second.
Your $10 one.
You would say, no.
You can use 10 off of this.
And you can have 10 off of here, Maddie. No.
So, now we've got this nice pasty stuff. I don't want it to spill, so we'll show you in a little bit.
Look at that.
Now, 2 minutes. Woo! Now we're going to add the poppy seeds. And if we remember correctly, which I do, 1 tablespoon of lemon poppy seeds. So now, you see, that's my relative, my in-law. He's hopeless.
I want to pour this.
I know.
I want to pour this.
Well, seriously, I've been trying to
Put 2 tablespoons. Now, we're going to put it in the oven, and then we will come back to it. Well, we gotta stir this in. Lily, get out the bun from down there. The pan, it's silver, and it looks like a donut. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Spray our pan.
Don't get on the screen.
Can you dump some of that in here?
No. I just tried from that.
How's that working for you?
Really good.
Emmie, you just dumped some in the middle.
I want to lick the batter.
We're not licking any batter.
I want to lick this.
No,
Yes.
it has rides. No.
I mean, I just want one.
Lily Ann. So now that we have this perfect mixture of yumminess, now we're going to put this in the beeping oven. So we'll make the glaze when the poppy seed is cooling. I'll show you the cake in a little bit, but now we're going to make the glaze. In a smaller bowl, mix together the powdered sugar, and this stuff makes a mess.
Well, that's smooth.
Remember, wash your hands. Look at me.
How is this even possible?
What do you mean?
Come here.
Okay. What? What?
You bake an entire fork inside the cake in the oven.
I did? Well, don't know how this happened, but I cooked a whole fork inside the cake. It'll still taste good. I accidentally left it in there, I think. So, don't worry about the cake. The cake is fine. It will still taste good. So, we need 3 to 4. So 1, we're going to do 3.5. 2, 3.
Forgot the silverware.
Oh yeah, I did. I don't like silverware today. Forgot it in the cake. Forgot it in the dishwasher. Forget everything, including silverware.
Forget life.
Yes, thank you. Sorry, just got super mad. I don't even know how I left the fork in it though. I left the fork in the cake. Big deal.
If you look right here, inside the cake,
Ugh.
here. There. I love that in the bottom.
But is it supposed to be like? I can't get it to mix. Mom, don't mind my mom.
Whole fork in there. I'm just like.
She's overreacting. I left a fork in the cake. No big deal. It's still usable. This is what the cake should look like. So, the only problem about this one was I did a little mess up. I forgot this fork.
No, you fork caught it. I would make a cake with a fork in it.
Sorry, guys. Without the fork. Now you're just gonna go up and down with the glaze and around over the spot where the fork was so that nobody knows. That's what your finished cake should look like. So, I'm Emmie. Yeah, that's this right here, amazing lady right there.
Crazy teaching lady here. Hi.
My in-law is my editor. She's going to edit all the fork stuff and make it not there because I don't want to be embarrassed. So, subscribe. YOLO. Bye-bye.